Morning. Welcome. Today is February the 2nd, 2026, first Monday of the trading calendar day for February. Let's get to it. First thing first, we want to break down today's plays. I'm gonna start doing this for you guys on YouTube so you guys can get an understanding of how we actually trade out empowerment assets, right? Let's get to it. First trade idea is IWM. We got called entry above 259.50. We're looking to take the 260s, 261, 262, zero DTEs. First target will be 259.95. Second target is 260.73. 261.32, 262.05, and then we got some runners after that. Now to the downside, we do have a starter position at 257.95, put entry at 257.64. That's when we actually add to the contracts and allow it to accumulate to the downside. Now we do have multiple targets, 257.24, 256.93, and then so on from there. Both targets, both calls, both puts, we do have a stop loss of 25%. However, you can do 10%, 15%, however you feel as a trader. All right. Next ticker, we got TXN, right? We got put entry below pretty much. We got put entry below 212. Once we break below 212, we're taking a $200 puts for February the 13th, right? So we got multiple targets: 210, 206, 201.95. 198.21. We do have 15% stop loss on that target as well. Now, some of the favorite trades that I do like moving forward today, we got GM. We pretty much like how GM is sitting. They just had earnings. They beat all expectations, so it was pretty cool. They did miss revenue, but EPS was pretty fire. So that was an opportunity to trade that. So we're looking to actually take GM. Calls above 84.25. We got multiple targets, but my ultimate target is to take the 86. 26 is my target. 87.31. We'll be taking the $85 strike price. This week expiration, so February the 6th. Now, Bone is looking pretty good as well. Born 3-hour time frame. We got a 2-2 bullish reversal to the upside. Looking to actually get him born 240s. We got multiple targets: 235.65, 238.07, 242.83, and then so on from now. We do have a 15% stop loss on born, so make sure you take full advantage of that. Now, some of my favorite trades this week is SOFI. I'm pretty much looking to take SOFI $25 calls. I want to take them out to February the 13th and also June the 18th, 2026. We do have a trigger at 2270. Once we break 22.7, we got 23.62, 24.13, 24.71, 24.95. These are multiple targets as we continue to keep on pushing back up to the upside. We're looking to pretty much cover these ranges all the way back up to the upside from earnings. So that'll be pretty awesome. Now, the sleeper on the list, JBLU, right? So you understand this is JetBlue, right? So we pretty much went down here. We bottomed from earnings 460, went all the way back up and touched 530. So I'm looking to take the $5 calls, looking to take expiration February the 20th. Looking to take the 550, $5 calls work as well. We're looking to load the boat. We do have targets 497, 505. We do have a target of 512, and then we got a target all the way back up to 530. And then if we can hit all these levels and continue to keep on climbing, this will be a monster trade. Looking to actually make 300%, but I'm okay with 50% because we can load the boat. 25, 50, 200 contracts, depends on how you feel as a trader. And also now silver, as I gave this put out last week, silver is looking the way it looked. We did bottom here. Silver is pushing up quietly small, but I'm looking at silver as a hedge and see how the market actually perform moving forward. But if you look at silver like on the 6-month time frame, silver just been breaking all-time range. We just came back from 2011 high. Once we broke that at 47.73, silver exploded all the way to the upside of 109. So this is something I would keep my eyes on. So please be patient, please be poised, and I do have a bonus. So I'm looking at a bonus, BAC. I also like to look at banks, especially when we have a new Fed chair that's coming in. I want to see how they're going to actually run the system and go from there. So looking at banks, we got a cup and handle, resistance, support, a little bit of consolidation. So I'm going to see how BAC plan to move over the next couple of days, and then I'll be keeping my eyes on BAC. Especially if you look at it on a weekly time frame, BAC pretty much coming off a fail 2 down. So we got a target to actually cover to the upside. To be honest with you, I'm gonna go ahead and take some BAC today from the bell. I'm gonna take the $55 calls for February the 13th. I got multiple targets: 53.97, 54.50, 55.27. This is based off the Fibonacci retracement level. So This is my spiel. This is my video for today. Hopefully you ladies and gentlemen take these trades and feel comfortable. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, leave comments. I'm out. Peace.